Hello my dear kids, how are you? All are fine? Yes, please make sure that you be at home, okay? Good. Let's start with a rhyme. Come on. Ringa, ringa, roses, pocket full of posies, a tissue, we all fall down. Wedding bells are ringing, boys and girls are singing, a tissue, we all fall down. Good, very good. Children, today we are going to learn which letter? Yes, do you remember the last letter what we have learned? Yes? Good. You all are smart, right? Yes. Today we are going to learn letter L. L. See? L. Yes. So, before that, can we tell the alphabets from A to L? Yes? Yes. So, you all have to repeat along with me. Okay? Come on, let's start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. After K, which letter? L. Yes, letter L. Good. Children, this is capital letter L, this is small letter L. Can you repeat? Capital letter L, small letter L. Yes, good. And children, both capital letter L and small letter L sounds are same. Yes. L. What is the sound of L? L. Please repeat. L. The sound of L is L. Wonderful. Good. Children, now ma'am is going to show you some pictures which start with which letter? L. Yes. Can you see this? What is this, children? What is this blue thing? It's a water, right? Yes. But just look at scenery of this. It's a lake. Lake. Yes. Can you repeat? Lake. Yes, that's right. Wow, what a beautiful flower is this. See? What is this? Which flower is this? You all know this, right? Yes. Lotus. Lotus. Wonderful. Now, oh my God, which insect is this? Yes. Ladybird. Yes, that's right. Ladybird. Good. Oh my God. Which animal is this? Wild animal. Yes, leopard. Yes, that's right. Leopard. Good. What is this, children? Yes, this green thing. Leaves, right? Leaf. Can you repeat one more time? Yes. Lake. Lake. Lotus. Lotus. Wonderful. What is this? Ladybird, right? Ladybird. Ladybird. Good. Which animal is this? Leopard. Leopard. Very good. Now this is leaf. Leaf. Yes. Wonderful, children. Children, now let's learn how to write capital letter L and small letter L. Let's begin. Come on. Can you see this line? Yes. Pink line, two blue line and one more pink line. Yes. So, for capital letter L, you have to start from pink line. Pink line to blue line, you have to write standing line like this. Standing line, then a sleeping line over this blue line. Capital letter L. One more time. Standing line, then sleeping line. Capital letter L. Understood? Yes. Now let's learn how to write small letter L. It's easy, right? Yes. For small letter L, you have to start from pink line to blue line. Yes. From pink line to blue line, you have to write a standing line. Yes, that's it. Small letter L. See, from pink line to blue line, you have to write standing line. Small letter L. This is capital letter L and this is small letter L. Understood, children? Very good. Children, now let's see how to write on your notebook. Okay, capital letter L and small letter L. First, let's see how to write capital letter L. You have to start from pink line to blue line. Okay, see, standing line and then sleeping line. Capital letter L. Standing line from pink line to blue line, then a sleeping line. Okay. Now let's see small letter L. So for that you have to start from pink line to blue line. See, standing line. Small letter L. Standing line. Small letter L. Capital letter L. Small letter L. Understood? Children, it's activity time. Yes, for that we need A4 sheet paper, glue stick or any other glue, and we need leaves. You know, right? L for, yes, leaves, right? Yes. So let's start. Okay. For that, after taking this A4 sheet paper, write a capital letter L. You know, right? How to write L? Yes. First you need to write L and then take a glue or Fevistick and then apply a glue like this over this. Okay? And then after that take any leaves. Okay? You can take any leaves and then you need to stick like this. See? Leaves. Can you see this? See, you can take small as well as big. If you are taking big leaves, you can stick like this. If you are taking small leaves, you can do it in this way. Okay. Here ma'am has taken this big leaves, so I am sticking like this. See, leaf. L for leaf and the sound of L is L. Understood, children? Please do the activity. Okay. Good. Children, now we are going to learn sight words. Yes, today we are going to learn two sight words. So the first one is up. U-P, up. Can you all repeat this word? Up. U-P, up. The kite can go up. Yes. Look up, see the sky. The blue sky, right? Yes. Children, have you ever gone to the park? Yes. And there Have you ever played in seesaw? Yes, how it works? Up, down, right? Up, U-P, up. Yes, wonderful. Children, our second sight word is in. I-N, in. Can you all repeat? I-N, in. The boy is in a plane. Yes, the girl is in a boat. In. I put my books in. Where you put your books? In my bag. In. I-N, in. What are the two sight words we have learned? Up, in. Okay? Good. Kids, today we have learned which letter? L. Yes, today we have learned capital letter L and small letter L. Yes, and sight words up, in. Don't forget to write on your notebook. What? What you have to write on your notebook? Letters, right? We have learned today L, right? So you have to practice L, letter L on your notebook. Okay? Let's say bye-bye now. Bye.